Welcome everybody, how are you? Today we are going to talk about an important math concept called differentiation. What if your teacher gives you the example y equal to x power 3 plus 6x plus 2x power 2 plus 5 and he wants to find the derivative of this function? We can write y dash, it's mean dy over dx, derivative y for x equal 6x power 2. We can drop 3 here, multiply by 2 equals 6 and subtract 1 from this power. The result will be 2 plus 6x will be 6, coefficient of x, plus 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4x and subtract 1 plus this from this power. The result will be 4x. It's the derivative of this function. And what about this example? F of x, it's meaning y, it's the image, okay? 2x power 4 subtract 6x plus 1. We can f dash of x equal 8x power 3. Can drop this power here and subtract 1 from this power. Subtract 6x plus 1. We can derivative about negative 6x equal negative 6. And what about this example? Y equal 3x power 2 plus 4 over x subtract by 2. We know 4 over x equal 4x power negative 2, negative 1. You can simplify at first. Y equal 3x power 2 plus 4x power negative 1 subtract by 2, and you can find the derivative of this function y dash equal what? We can drop this power here, 2 to multiply by 3 equals 6x, and we can drop this power here, multiply by this coefficient. The result will be negative 4x power negative 1 subtract 1 equal negative 2, and derivative about negative 2 equals 0, and you can simplify it 6x subtract 4 over x power 2. You can write x power negative 2 equal x power 2 in denominator. And what about this function f of x? 2 root of x subtract 5 over x power 2. We can simplify this example first. So you can write 2 root of x here, 2 root of x subtract 5x power negative 2, and you can find derivative of this function f dash of x equal, we can write 2 over 2 multiply root of x multiply by derivative about x here equal 1. Again, we can write 2 outside, its coefficient of this function, and write 2 multiply by this function root x and derivative about x equal 1. We can find the derivative of this function negative here 5. We can drop this power here and subtract it from it 1. Okay, negative times negative equal positive, multiply by 2. Okay, we can drop this power here and subtract 1 from negative 2, it will be negative 3. So you can simplify it here. You can write 2 divided by 2 equal 1, then f dash of x equal 1 over root of x plus 2 times 5 equal 10 x power negative 3, and we can write f dash of x equal 1 over root of x plus 10 over x power 3. It's okay. Another example. What about this example? Look at here, f of x equal 2x plus 1 multiply by x subtract by 3. We can find derivative of this function. Here we have two terms. We can simplify it the first or find the derivative of it. We can write 2x plus 1 multiply by derivative about the second will be 1. Okay, plus the first, again the first multiply derivative by the second, and the second multiply derivative about the first term. First here will be 2, derivative about 2x will be 2. So we can simplify it f dash of x equal 2x plus 1 plus 2 multiply x equal 2x subtract 2 times 3 equals 6. So we can result here 2x plus 2x equal 4x, and negative 6 plus 1 equal negative 5. Okay, another example. F of x equal 3x power 2 plus 1 over x. You can simplify it first. F of x, you can simplify this example. Divided this expression to by this term, 3x power 2 over x equal 3x plus 1 over x, it's meaning x power -1, and f dash of x equal 3, and we can drop this power here and subtract 1 from this power. So the result will be negative x power -2. We can simplify it. Okay, 3 here, subtract 1 over x power 2. It's okay. The derivative of this function. Another example, look at here. Y equal 2x power 3 subtract by 4 over root of x. We can simplify it. You know, this meaning x power half. You can write 2x power 3 subtract 4 over x power half. And you can divide it, this term about x power half. 2x power 3 subtract by half equal to 1 half equal 5 over 2. Okay, again 3 subtract half equal 5 over 2. 3 subtract half equal to 1 half. To 1 half, it's meaning 5 over 2. Subtract 4 multiplied by x power -half. Okay, we can find the derivative of the function. We must drop this power here, drop this power, 2 multiply by 5 over 2 x power 5 over 2 subtract by 1, subtract 4 x, we can drop this power here, negative multiply negative equal positive, and write half behind the 4. We can drop this power, negative multiply negative equal positive. Okay, half multiply 4x, and we can subtract 1 from this number. Negative half -1 equal -1.5 -3 over 2. And we can simplify it here. We can simplify 2 divided by 2 equal 1. So we can write y dash equal what? Equal 5. X, we have 5 over 2, 2.5 subtract by 1. We know 1 equal 5 over 5, or 2 over 2. 2 over 2 subtract this number, the result will be 3 over 2. It's okay. Okay, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, x power -3 over 2. It's the result about this example. Okay, you must keep all these properties, okay, about this example and solve it in the notebook. Goodbye.